In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams on both PC and mobile devices. Whether you're using Teams at work, school, or just for personal communication, keeping your profile up to date is essential, and that includes managing how your name appears. Let's dive right in to make sure your Teams display name is exactly how you want it. First things first, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams. You can do this through the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app, depending on what's most convenient for you. Once you're in, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you should see your profile picture. If you haven't set one yet, it might just be a circle with your initials. Click or tap on your profile picture. This is essentially your hub for managing your personal settings within Teams. After selecting your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're looking for the option that says Edit Profile. Give that a click. This takes you to your profile settings where you can make various edits, including changing your display name. In the profile section, you'll see a field labeled Name. This is where you can enter the new name you wish to display. Simply click into this field and type the name you want to be known by within your Teams environment. Maybe you've changed your name, prefer to go by a nickname, or you need to update your name for professional reasons. Whatever the case may be, this is the moment to make that update. Once you've entered your new name, precisely as you want it, you'll see a Save button. Click on that to save your changes. This is a crucial step because it finalizes your update and ensures that your new name will be displayed throughout Teams. Your updated name will start showing up in chats, meetings, and the contacts of other Teams users. It's as simple as that. Before we conclude, let's go over a few quick reminders. Changing your name here won't affect your Microsoft account name or carry over to other Microsoft services. Also, if you're part of an organization, certain settings might be managed by your IT department. So if you encounter any restrictions, it might be a good idea to check with them. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make sure your name in Microsoft Teams reflects exactly who you are. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.